Make a great choice today with
the 2022 Venue. The Hyundai Venue is extremely practical and provides good cargo capacity for its compact size. Available technology features provide even more reason to give this vehicle a chance. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, daytime running lights, automatic climate control, cargo net, carpeted floor mats, roof rails, cargo tray. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.